Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And yes, this is the part 3. It is the part where I'm going to test this vacuum and see how well it will clean my home from the dust and mopping the floor. It is the third and the last part. You have expecting more because it is the testing part, and that's how we will have the latest results and see if it's worth to buy this vacuum cleaner. And of course you can check in the other two parts. The first unboxing reviewing and the second part how you can use the app from your smartphone with this robo vacuum cleaner. Well, let's move on, I can't wait. And there are some stuff at the floor in our everyday life, like the lentils, rice, cornflakes, bread and more. And let's start.
Cleanup is starting. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to chart.
Wow, definitely is doing an amazing job. I like it. Well, let's perform a second clean because there was so many stuff at the floor. Definitely we need to give another opportunity at this vacuum and make 100% success cleaning.
Cleanup is starting. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to chart.
Wow, that was an amazing job. Definitely has cleaned so well. I like it, thumbs up. It didn't miss not even a small spot. Wow, amazing. Definitely, if you decide to buy this vacuum, you will be very happy and clean your home at any time. And we can see at the map the whole process, cleaning this area.
Charging.
Now let's empty the container and see what we've got inside.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
Perfect. We've got the voice assistant. Ooh, so many things. Well, all that stuff was at the floor. Definitely had made a great job sucking all these things. I like it. And of course you can clean it as well, and the filter and everything. Clean it very well and install it again.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed.
Great. Return to base.
Returning to the dock to charge. Charging.
And now let's see how it can clean at this carpet with some stuff at the carpet. Ordinary stuff from your kitchen, cornflakes, lentils, rice, bread, and more.
Area cleanup is starting. Cleanup is paused.
I'm sorry? Continue.
Cleanup is resumed.
And there we can see the boost suction at the carpet.
Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge.
Well, let's do it again.
Area cleanup is starting. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge.
And clean it very well, the carpet. Wow, it's so clean. Definitely is working great, without any problem.
Charging.
And again, now let's check all this stuff was at the carpet.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
Perfect. Great. Amazing job. Clean it again. Clean.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed. Returning to the dock to charge.
And now I think it's time to clean any stains from my floor. And to do that,
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
we need to fill up with water this water tank, 250 ml. A little bit more. And I think now we are okay. You can see where's the water. Clean any unnecessary water. Perfect. Reinstall it.
2-in-1 dust compartment
And now we need the mop adapter to install. Here.
Entering mopping mode.
Yep, correct. And you can see, guys, a lot of stains at the floor. Mustard, ketchup, coffee, milk, juice. Ordinary stuff at your kitchen, at your home. And let's start.
Cleanup is starting.
And of course, from the mode settings, the water volume, you can adjust it on highest.
Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to chart. Removing the mop rack is recommended in order to avoid moisture damaging wooden floors.
And we've got a clean floor. Wow, so clean, I like it. Thumbs up. Great job.
Returning to dock 2. Charge has been paused.
Okay, let me remove the mop.
Exiting mopping mode.
Ooh, so much dirt. Wow. Perfect. And of course, you can remove it, wash it at your washing machine. I would like to use this one-time use. Install it here.
Entering mopping mode. Returning to dock 2. Charge has been resumed. Removing the mop rack is recommended in order to avoid moisture damaging wooden floors. Charging.
And let's start mopping with this one-time use.
Cleanup is starting.
We've got enough water at the tank. And again, from the mode settings, you can choose mopping mode only. And choose again the water volume. I can see at the floor it's so wet. That's why I will decrease the water volume. Great job. Amazing. I like it.
Returning to dump 2. Charge has been paused.
And let's remove and see how it looks after cleaning.
Exiting logging mode.
Whoa. Oh yeah. I did manage to make too much stains at my floor, but thumbs up, he's doing a great job. I like it. And of course it is only one use. Well, I will try wash it. Maybe I can use it once more time and see how it goes. Perfect.
Returning to dump 2. Charge has been resumed.
Well guys, that was all about this Arnagar S8, and that was the final video, the part 3, testing and see how it can clean my home. Final results, thumbs up, 100%, is doing an amazing job. No second thought, just buy it, and definitely you will be very happy cleaning your home at any time, if that is for a dust cleaning or mopping. I like all the features from the app that you can adjust, the settings, the suction power, the water volume, so many settings, see live at real time when it's working, when it's cleaning your home. And it's moving precise at the right spot because it has this high leader radar, and definitely is doing an amazing job. Find out the right spot to clean. It's not missing any spot. Definitely it will go at any corner at your home. If you want to buy it, you can check down below in the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information about this product and where you can buy it. And of course you can see in the part 1 and part 2 about the reviewing and unboxing. At part 1 and part 2 you can see how you can use the app, what is the best options and settings. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice or lovely day. Bye bye.